What's good, everybody? It's your boy Aristotle R with the Raw. We back with another episode of Stock Sundays, and you guys already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to give you guys 3 plays, so watch to the end so you guys don't miss the 3 plays that I'm looking for, because these things explode. I have like an 85% hit rate on this exact show, so yes, I call out plays for free for you guys on this exact show, and all I ask you guys to do in exchange for this is to leave me a like in a comment. Just comment anything, comment an emoji, say you rock with me, honey drip, whatever, right? Just for the algorithm. That's all I ask. A like and a comment. All right. Now, without further ado, I'm not going to waste you guys' time. We're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you guys what to look out for. So before we look at SPY, just understand that Friday we're off. So we just had, what was it, Memorial Day or some type of event. Yeah, we had some type of event going on and the market was closed. Let's see, financial market closed at 1 p.m. on Thursday. Okay, cool. So we have a very short week, like 3 days to really trade. And all while the market is at an all-time high. We just broke all-time high recently. This was Friday. And there we go, folks. We're not necessarily oversold just yet. We're at 68. Do we have bearish divergence? Slick. Yeah. I mean, but it could still go higher. You know, we shall see. So we got a higher bull run in market, 20% market dip. I predicted this, folks. I said we were going back to all-time highs. We did. If you have a portfolio, you should be up. If you've been listening to me, you should be up. You know, this thing is up now. As I predicted, we go past all-time highs. I just really felt it. Why did I say this, folks? Because this happened in 2018, the last trade war. I'm going to delete this one. As you guys can see, this is the 2018 trade war when Trump was in office. Market dipped 20% and then popped past all-time highs, because this is all-time highs at one point. Popped past all-time highs, then COVID happened. So if you guys want to see that more clearly, then COVID happened and dropped it, right? So the market dropped 20%, pop past all-time highs, then something bad is going to happen once it gets, you know, in that 700, 600 range, all right? So I always told people, if you want to tell whenever something bad is going to happen, the market is at all-time highs, all right? So isn't that crazy? When things go good, that's when the bad happens, right? All right? Let's go look at BTC, Bitcoin at 108. So everything is near all-time highs. Bitcoin could possibly pop past all-time highs. We shall see. Let's go look at my 3 plays. But before I give you guys my 3 plays, just know I've been hitting in this small account challenge. Eminem went up nearly 100%. Before that, what else we just recently had? High risk play just hit. Zoom. I think I went 6 for 6 last week, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I didn't miss one. Yeah, these things went, folks. Let's go to the swing channel. My boy Mike PLTR put hit. Yeah, we went crazy last week. 6 for 6. All 6 went green. And we can go to the games channel real quick. We can go see some results. This person account is up 18% in a week. So you guys got to think, folks. These guys, nobody pays more than $125 in a month, right? Or $200. Some people have that package. And look at this. So think about it. Even if I was charging you $250 or even $300 a month, which I don't charge, but you're going to get your ROI. I got to post that. Somebody just hit 200% in a week. So make sure you guys hit the trial button. You know, I'm going to post a link in the description on YouTube. And if you're on Instagram, DM me the word trial. And if you're on X or any other type of platform, hit the link in the description or visit honeydripnetwork.com. Honeydrip. All right, so everybody visit honeydripnetwork.com. Honeydripnetwork.com. All right, if you guys want to tap in to this Discord where I'm giving you guys the plays, the sauce. This person is up $1,800 in a week. We getting money and you not. You feel me? So we don't, you know, whether you join or not, we're going to print money. You feel me? Look at these plays. They got in all my plays. See that? So look, that just with the swings. Account is up 28% from our swings. Just telling you. Look, this is proof in the pudding. The person got in Eminem, Merck, all these different ones. Same one, Eminem, 83%. You're just going to see some plays, folks. 25% gain. And look, 8,000. Stop playing with us, folks. All right? When you're ready to get some money, tap in. Now let's get into our 3 plays. I'm not going to waste no more of you guys' time. Zoom. I already called Zoom, but I still think, we took the risk on breaking, buying the lows. I even told Twitter to get in on Zoom. If you guys want to see where I called it, because it hasn't broke the falling wedge yet, but I called Zoom right here. So Zoom, and we bank, it's already up 40%. And look, you see these goats? That means they know what's going on. Zoom up 40%. We got in at the lows. Here, I think it'll go past this point of resistance right here. Little falling wedge pattern right here. It looks textbook too. Let's go to Google. See that? Got us an uptrend. Nice little uptrend and a falling wedge right here. See that? Uptrend, falling wedge. Breaks out here, should go. Zoom is my top one. We already printed on it, but I personally think it'll keep going. Past like 78.7-ish is my target to even get in more Zoom. I think Zoom will keep going. So I would add it to strength. We already got in at lows in my chat. Pretty good lows too to buy. Zoom I like. Second, I like Starbucks for the same pattern. So we already tried to get in this breakout, missed it, but we have another opportunity on Starbucks. So Starbucks should go from this pattern. We shall see. All right, in SMCI or SCMI or SMCI. Yep. SMCI. I like for, a break and retest, continuation possibly. Finally broke resistance here. Looking forward to a bounce from here, so we shall see. But my top 2 are Zoom and Starbucks, and SMCI I'm watching for a continuation after breaking this particular resistance here for a break and retest. All right. So like I said, folks, short and easy. The thing I can say about the market, of course I watch fundamentals, all of that. It's like we breaking and retesting here. I told people, it's a day trading market, but I do swing. I like to do both. We're very good at both. We're very diverse at both. We swing and day trade in Honey Drip. So whatever you want to learn, whatever you're interested in, the best option trading group is the one that I have currently in the world. We are very consistent. We don't stop. Our plays and our win rate is consistent. So if you want to be consistent through every market dip, every market pop or drop, then you know where to go. It's Honey Drip. All right. But other than that, folks, this is really all I have. Short, easy, and it's a short week, so no point in really getting into depth. The market closes early on Thursday, and then Friday, Independence Day. So y'all know what it is, man. Square style, R with the R, and I'm out.